Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. The hot summers and the cold winters, the long train journeys and the rickety bus rides, the old buildings and the new faces, the long walks or doubling on cycles, the jamboree of sounds from all kinds of music to cooing peacocks, the omnipresent trees and the whirling winds, the walk around Shiv Ganga or the very own Connaught, the grand clock tower and the majestic Saraswati temple, and finally, the academic blocks and the Audi. We, on behalf of Department of Pharmacy, BITS Pilani, extend a very warm welcome to you to the Diamond Jubilee celebrations of the department. To begin with the event, in our revered temple of learning, we first bow our heads to the recitation of Saraswati Vandana. Sama, Deputy Director, Research and Education Development, and Senior Professor, Department of Pharmacy, to please accompany the Chief Guest, Mr. K. Anand, onto the stage. It is my pleasure now to invite a few of our alumni to speak a few words on this occasion.
Respected dignitaries on dais, dear Bitsians and fellow pharmacists, ladies and gentlemen, I am really honored that the Diamond Jubilee Celebration Committee has given me an opportunity to just share some moments which I had spent in Pilani. I will not much speak about what should be done in education because there are big educationist people standing here. And industrial development also, I think more intelligent and more knowledgeable people are here. I am here just to share some moments which I really spent in Pilani. Let me tell you very frankly that I come from a very rural background in Rajasthan, and I passed my higher secondary school, 11th standard from a Hindi medium school. So it was a small town, and when I came to Pilani, I am not hesitant in saying that I really felt like a drop in ocean here. It was a huge institute, and it was a dream come true. I really thank my parents, because that time they used to decide where I was supposed to go. Now I think the atmosphere is completely changed. And they chose this institute for me. I could make it to come to Pilani. And I am really proud and thankful to them that they sent me to this institute, because whenever I meet somebody and when I tell them that I am from BITS Pilani, really let me tell you, they really have a feeling of respect you can feel in their eyes for you. That gives me a pride that I am from this institute and I am from this pharmacy department. One more incident to share. It was right in the beginning, in the first week of my starting education here, that because I come from a Hindi medium school, and that was the time when the Pilani had a collaboration with Massachusetts Institute of Technology from USA. So the professor from America used to come here, and one of the Professor Hinchi, he used to teach us physics. So right in the beginning, initially, probably he was teaching some lesson and hardly we were able to understand half of what he taught, because some of the words he used to eat and only I was able to understand the words he used to write on the blackboard. Then we used to go home and search in the book that what from and where from he has taught, so that we can read that chapter in the hostel and come prepared for next day. So it so happened that he just asked, what are the three principles of Newton? I think this was not very difficult, but I don't know how he just looked at me and he told me, okay, you tell me. I just stood and did not speak anything. He said, "You don't know the three principles of Newton?" I said, "Sir, I know." Then he said, "Okay, tell me." "Sir, I know in Hindi, but I can't tell you in English because I come from a Hindi background." That was the starting. And let me tell you, there is no hesitation that Pilani had good students, but from various background and faculties. There were students from very prominent public schools as well as from government schools also, and therefore initially for 6 months in Pilani was really a tough time, but thank God and the faculty here who encouraged us, and we could stay here, and today what I am, it is because of this institute. It is not only BITS, it is BITS Pilani, which has been branded throughout the world. So, otherwise it could have been BITS Goa, it could have been BITS Hyderabad or BITS Dubai, but it is BITS Pilani Goa. That itself gives that how reputed this institute is, and therefore the Pilani itself gives a big prestige to us actually. I am in drug department of Rajasthan, and the industry is growing very fast. I think people have already told, but it was a 10 crore industry in 1948, and as on today, as estimated, it is 90,000 crore rupees industry as on today. The growth of pharma industry in India is average to the tune of 15.5 to 16% average, which is considered to be a very excellent growth for any industry. Therefore, what I feel is that the future, which is being, which is told by all other dignitaries here, is very bright for pharmacy profession, and especially an institute like Pilani, from where the most brilliant students, not only knowing about the pharmacy profession, but I think they are given all other aspects also. Like in the beginning, when we came here, we taught management courses, we used to go for engineering drawing and other similar courses which are relevant to pharmacy, not directly, but the basic concept should be there. And I think with the development of IT and the computerization, the students here are very much knowing about those things also, and that will really help the pharmacy students to grow. And in my time, we were only 25 students, and as soon as we graduated, 5 of my batchmates went that time only to USA. One of them, he was 1 year senior to me. One of them, went to USA. He established 2 pharmaceutical industries there, and those manufacturing units were taken over somewhere in the year 1986 by Ranbaxy. That is how Ranbaxy entered into USA market. It was home laboratories that time, and the pharmacy fellow who is from Jaipur itself, he has now manufacturing units in USA, in China, and in India also. So not only that, there are so many other people also from our field also who have really grown so high. So that is again gives that once you come to this institute, you can feel proud about it. And I am honored that we are here. It is something like, when I come to Pilani, I have altogether a different feeling, because say suppose you stay away from your parents and you go home. The feeling that you have for your parents, and when you go home, the happiness that you feel from inside, that is what I am feeling today for coming to this institute. So, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. We'll just go around those streets which we have. I did my B.Pharm and M.Pharm from here. So I would like to go all those places, Nutan, Connaught Place, Shiv Ganga Museum, and all those places, and we'll like to go back to those days and enjoy them. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing these wonderful memories.